How to set up Binance Google Authenticator. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to set up your Google Authenticator on your Binance application. First thing, you need to open the application and go into your profile on the upper right corner and click on Security. Under Security, what you need to do is go to Authenticator app. That is on the second option on the bars, and then click on Google Authenticator, and then click on download Google Authenticator on your Play Store or App Store. Once fully downloaded, you will need to click on enter your setup key. The setup key will be found on Binance, so you need to go into your Binance application and click on link. All you have to do is to follow the instructions given. That is a step-by-step for you to successfully authenticate your account. And once you have followed the steps successfully, this will be the end where it will inform you that it has been now linked into your Google Authenticator. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.